Sknlogic Derma Repair Balm combines a potent blend of natural oils, butters, and plant extracts to deeply nourish, protect, and support the skin's natural healing process. It's especially effective for damaged, sensitive, inflamed, or irritated skin, including burns, rashes, and post-treatment recovery. Use the Derma Repair Balm as the final step in your skincare routine, after cleansing and applying all treatment products. Ensure your skin is dry before application. Take a pea-sized amount of Derma Repair Balm. Warm it between your fingertips for easier application. Gently press or smooth the balm over your face, focusing on areas prone to dryness or irritation. Be gentle under the eye area and apply over the lips as well. Use in the mornings and evenings. And always follow with sunscreen during the day. For targeted concerns like cuts, burns, rashes, or scars, apply a small amount to the affected area 2 to 3 times daily or as needed to support healing and reduce discomfort. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos for more skincare tips and product information.